Before I continue this video, guys, I have to let you know about this hat I'm wearing. It's from one of my friend's clothing lines. It's called New Beans. I'm going to link everything down below, so please, please, please go support. Right now, I am on the way to shop for my mom's pantry. This is supposed to be a surprise. She does not know that I'm going to redo her whole pantry because it's just too much. It's a hot mess, and I just can't have it. I'm about to shop around, look for some stuff. Her style is more rustic farmhouse, I guess you would say. I don't know. But I'm going to see what I can find. Mind you, I am a discount shopper, okay? So I can make it cute if I got it from the Dollar Tree or 99-cent store. Like, I can make it cute. That's not where I'm going. But I am going to go to TJ Maxx just because TJ Maxx, Ross, and Marshalls always have some gems, and y'all don't know. But they be having some stuff that looks fire. Lord, even though I'm a discount shopper, I do spend a lot of money. I buy a lot for the discount. So let's just hope and pray that I don't overspend or overdo what I need to do. I should have put myself at a budget, but when it comes to my mom, there is no budget, there is no limits. So she's probably gonna be like, oh my gosh, why did you do this? Oh my god, why did you spend, you know? I hope she don't cry. She cries a lot, but sorry, mom. But I hope I just don't spend too much money. But she has a big pantry, like, and it's a lot of stuff that needs to get organized, so we gonna see. So it's about 8:30 in the morning, and I'm already getting started. I have 2 days to complete everything. This is all the stuff. Let me show you the pantry. So I have to clear all this out and reorganize. Oh, I'm out of breath. Reorganize everything. So I think I'm gonna just start here first. Take everything out. Throw away stuff that we don't need. Keep stuff that we do. I just need to see the whole space. So everything has to come out of here. You know my voice, like I just woke up, so here's what it is. So far, this is what I have done. Let's see, I did all these seasonings. I put the labels on them. They're stickers I got from Hobby Lobby. I still have a few more spices I need to do. This, I'm not exactly sure if I'm keeping this like this, but we'll see. Up here, I put the labels on here. So I have flour, brown sugar, and then my mom's coffee. I'm gonna buy her some more coffee and fill that up. I have the pasta sitting here. I have spaghetti, macaroni noodles, and I have rice sitting here. I organized all the cans. I'm gonna end up spray painting this black so it'll match. To break stuff already, y'all. Okay, but I am gonna end up spray painting that black. I just wanted to see how it looks right there. This I still have to fill up. I don't know what I'm putting in there. These I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet. I don't even know if they're gonna sit here or not. This is for her recycles, her cans and stuff. I'm gonna spray paint that brown. So that's that. I did this over here. These are, I think they're step stools. Step stools? I don't know what they're actually for, but they're not for this. But I'm gonna get some more sodas, fill them up here, have all her water sitting up here. And the rest of her spices sitting here. Olive oil, I did the label on there. I'm gonna fill this one up with red vinegar. And yeah, I still have a lot more to do. I have crates that I need to put here. I'm gonna show you guys that right now, actually. So I've started spray painting the crates. This is bad lighting. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a dark brown. I tried to make sure I keep the little rustic piece showing, but this is after. Let me show you before. This is before. So I think this one goes more with the decor. I'm gonna take pictures so the lighting can seem better, because right now it looks like it's black and it's really not. It's like a dark brown. Today is the last day. Excuse my voice, I just woke up. Today's the last day that I have to get shit ready for this pantry. I have everything spray painted, ready to be placed. They should be dry. I did them yesterday. I still got stuff everywhere though. But let's see. I thought I was gonna sit down and not do anything else, but I kind of still started moving stuff around how I wanted it. I still not sure I'm keeping it like this, but so far I put that there, put that. So I still need to buy a few more. I need to buy groceries just to give it up, to fill it up a little bit more. I'm gonna have my paper towels in that corner there. I need to buy some sodas and fill that up. Yeah, so I have still a lot more to go. This whole section needs to be cleared out. I have not touched this section at all yet because it's gonna be in my crates. Hopefully I can fit a lot in them crates. I'm not sure, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see, guys. Whew. You want to see your pantry?
These are so cute. But they were expensive.
No, they weren't actually. I got them from Michael's.
You spent some money, Asia. Oh my goodness. So nice.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my goodness.
I did all the labels. Oh my. Oh man. I knew you was gonna cry.